Welcome back to my English Learning YouTube channel. We have already discussed tenses in my previous videos. All kinds of tenses have been uh, broadly discussed, and I hope all of you have already understood the rules and uses of the tenses. Today I will discuss the tenses. Today also I will discuss tenses, but the discussion will be limited in the uses of tenses in various sentences, and it will be a revision of tenses. Okay, it will be a revision of tenses. After being revised, the chapter tenses will be, the discussion of chapter tenses will be finished. Okay, so this is the last video regarding the uses and revision of tenses. So here I will write some sentences on the board, and we have to make correction of the sentences according to their correct tenses. So the question is, use the correct form of the verb given in each bracket. Okay, number one, birds usually return to their nests in the evening. Number two, the boys swim in the river now. Number three, look at the sky, it go to rain very soon. Then number four, the boy meet me here just now. I not see my friend since last week. I wish I know all this. Then it is time I go home. Then the tiger killed yesterday. As the boy climbed the steps, he slipped. Okay, so it is number 9. As the boy climbed the steps, he slipped. So there are more sentences here on the board. I have already written 17 sentences. So number 10 is the patient died before the doctor arrived. Number 11, he married after he had passed the MSc. Number 12, I return your book tomorrow. Then number 13, the train always leave the station on time. Again number 14, 10 years passed since I met him. 15, English speak all over the world. 16. They lived in this town for 10 years. Again, last one, she be our teacher since 2016. Okay, so here I have written 17 sentences, and all the sentences have a verb, and the main verb has been put within bracket, and we have to correct the verb according to the uses of the tenses. So let me explain from the very beginning, from number 1. For that I have erased the question, okay, to manage space on the board. Here you can see number 1, birds usually return to their nest in the evening. So in which tense we have to correct this sentence. It is very obvious here. The word usually is here, and so the word usually, every day, and often, frequently. If these words contain in a sentence or in sentences, those sentences are usually written in present indefinite tense. So here it will be in present indefinite tense. Then we have to see the subject. The subject here is birds. It is third person, but it is in the plural form. So it will remain the same. Okay, birds usually return. After correcting it, the corrected form will be birds usually return. Okay, I hope you have understood. This is the revision of tenses. So number 2, the boys swim in the river now. So there is now here the swimming of the boys. The swimming action of the boys is going now. That is why it should be in present continuous tense. That is why we have to write the boys are swimming. Okay, are swimming. I am just writing the answer only. I am just writing the answer. Look at the sky, it go to rain very soon. Here, look at the sky, it is in the imperative form, and after imperative form we use the present continuous tense of the verb. Okay, so it will also be in present continuous tense. It is going to rain. Okay, is going. So number 3, it will be is going. Okay, it is going to rain very soon. So then number 4, the boy meet me here just now. So here the word just now is present, and if there is just now, then that sentence must be written in present perfect tense, because the action of the verb has just been completed. That is why such sentences must be written in present perfect tense. So we will write it in present perfect. The boy has met me. Okay, has met me just now. Again, I not see my friend since last week. Here the sentence is in negative form, and since is present here. So when there is since, for, yet, till now, and the sentence is in negative form, that sentence must be written in present perfect tense. That is why you have to correct it as I have not seen. Okay, have not seen or haven't seen. I hope you are getting my point now. This is the revision only. Or we have already finished the uses of tenses. Here I wish I know all this. So this is an imaginary condition where I imagine that I must know all this. So it is impossible or impractical to know for me all the things. That is why it should be written in past indefinite tense. So I wish I knew all this. The past tense form of know is knew. K-N-A-W. Again, it is time I go home. This is the same thing, that after the clause it is time, we use the past tense form of the verb. So it will be, it is time I went home. Okay, I went home. Then number 8, the tiger killed yesterday. Here yesterday is present, so it must be written in past indefinite tense. But if we write it in active voice, the tiger killed yesterday, it will be an imperfect or incomplete sentence, because its meaning will not be complete. Because the tiger killed, then the verb kill here does not contain any object. That is why if we write the tiger killed, it will be completely wrong. That is why we have to write it in past indefinite tense but in passive form. So it will be the tiger was killed yesterday. Okay, that means tiger was itself killed, by the hunter, by somebody like this. Okay, that's why it has to be written in past indefinite but in passive form. As the boy climbed the steps, he slipped. Here as is present, and at one part of the sentence is in past indefinite tense. So when there is as when or while, and one part is written in past indefinite tense, then another part definitely is definitely written in past continuous tense. So it will be as the boy was climbing. So here I write was climbing, okay, in past continuous tense. So you can see here was climbing. Then number 10, the patient died before the doctor arrived. Here before is present, and the second part is written in past indefinite tense when there are before or after in a sentence, and if one part is written in past indefinite tense, then another part must be in past perfect tense. Okay, this had happened before this action in past time. That is why the patient had died. Okay, the correct form is the patient had died. So I am erasing some sentences from the board, thus to manage space on the board. Okay. Now I write the sentences above these sentences, correct form of the sentences above these sentences. Now number 11, he married after he had passed the MSc. Same formula, and it must be written in past indefinite tense because the sentence contains after, and after the word after, the past perfect tense is used here. That is why it must be written in past indefinite tense. So it will be number 11, married. Okay, married. He married after he had passed the MSc. Again number 12, I return your book tomorrow. Here tomorrow is present. If the future time is present in a sentence, then it must be written in future indefinite tense. So as tomorrow refers to a future time, so it must be written in future indefinite. I shall return your book tomorrow, or I will return your book tomorrow. This will be number 12. I shall. If somebody writes will, it will also be correct. I shall or I will return. Okay. Now number 13. The sentence is the train always leaves the station on time. So here the word always is present here. So the action which happens every day or always must be written in present indefinite tense. The train is the third person singular number verb. That is why we will write leaves. It will be leaves, or else will come with the verb leaves. The train leaves. The train always leaves the station on time. Okay. Now number 14, that is on the top of the board of all sentences. 10 years passed since I met him. So here is since present, and after the since we have already used the past indefinite tense. Then before since we have to write present perfect tense. This is a grammatical rule. So when there is since present in a sentence and after the since, if we use the past indefinite tense, then the first part must be written in present perfect tense. So it will be 10 years have passed. Number 14, 10 years have passed. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, all the sentences have been discussed elaborately, and your conception will be very clear. Okay, now you say number 15, English speak all over the world. So this is also a sentence of present indefinite tense and true one. Okay, that is why it has to be written in present indefinite tense, but it must be written in passive form of the present indefinite because English is spoken. So if we write English speaks, then it will be what? The language English will speak, it will be incorrect. Now, but the language English is spoken all over the world. That is the correct meaning. That is why we have to write English is spoken all over the world. Okay, English is spoken. So it is in passive form of the present indefinite tense. Then number 16, they live in this town for 10 years. So here number 16. Here for is present, and there is a long period of time for is used before the period of time, and the action of living has been going on for long 10 years. That is why it must be written in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so they have been living in this town. Have been living. The last one, number 17. We have to see the sentence. CP, our teacher, since 2016. So since is placed before the point of time. That means 2016 is a point of time, and if there is a point of time and the action starts in the past and also continues in the future, present time, but its result is going on, action starts in the past and result is still going on, or the time is still going on, then in that case such sentences should be written in present perfect tense. So in this regard, number 17 will be she has been our teacher. Okay, number 17, she has been our teacher. So I hope all of you have understood these 17 sentences which I have already written on the board, and I have corrected all the sentences according to the rules of the grammar. So I hope you have already got my point, and the discussion regarding the tense with more and more examples has been completed or finished on my part from today. So all of you are welcome, and thanks again for watching my videos. Okay.